Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tips. Today we will be discussing how to fully disconnect your AirPods from your iPhone. Apple has made it very simple to disconnect your AirPods. If you're currently using your iPhone but simply want to disconnect them, just put the AirPods back into their case and close the case. They'll automatically disconnect. Now, if you want to disconnect them manually from your iPhone, go to the Settings application. You should see your AirPods at the top. If not, go into Bluetooth settings and find your AirPods. Click on the little eye information icon next to them. This will take you into your AirPod settings. To disconnect them, scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Disconnect. They have now been manually disconnected from your iPhone. However, if you want your iPhone to completely forget the Bluetooth connection to your AirPods or disconnect them from your Apple ID, follow these steps. First, go into your Settings application and then back into Bluetooth settings. Click on the little information icon next to the AirPods. Once you've done this, click on Forget this device at the very bottom and then Forget device again to confirm. Here it's going to warn you that doing this will disconnect it from all of your devices and your iCloud account. Once you're ready, click on Forget device. As you can see, they have now disappeared from the list of devices, and these AirPods no longer have ownership. They're ready to connect to a new device. As a bonus tip, if you're planning on selling your AirPods to a new owner, I do recommend factory resetting your AirPods to remove any additional information. To reset your AirPods to factory settings, first, open the case, making sure the earpieces are inside. Once we've done this, find the button on the back and press and hold this button. We want to press and hold this button for about 5 to 15 seconds until the LED starts flashing amber. As you can see, it is now flashing amber, so we can release the button and close the lid. This means our AirPods have now been fully factory reset, so they are safe to pass on to a new owner. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more Roam tips.